Okay friends, in this video we are learning how to set your RTX voice to default record mic to Sony Vegas Pro. Okay, first you go to options, this one, then go to preference, then go to tab audio device, then you can see the option of audio device type. Just click on that, then select Windows Classic Web Driver. Okay, then click apply, then okay, then add a new track mode, like a new track. I'm already added this here, a new track. Then right click on that track, then go to input, then you can see Windows Classic Web Driver is here. Just you can see there is two options, mono stereo, then go to stereo, then select your default mic. Here I am showing that I'm set microphones NVIDIA RTX voice, my default voice. Okay, and I'm showing another settings. This is NVIDIA RTX voice control panel. Here you can select input device. I'm selected this one, my USB new PNP audio device. I have Blue Snowball is here, but it is complaint. Now it is have not good quality voice. I'm only using this Blue Snowball device for only for voice tapping. Okay, so this is it. You have to select your default input device in RTX box. Then you come to here. Now my fan is working. I'm just recording my sound is here like this. Select for recording apps, and here you can see I'm going to record this voice. Hi, hello. This is test voice from RTX Voice and using mic of FI Fine mic T669 model. Okay, I'm checking my sound quality is here. Okay, now we just play back that voice. Hi, hello. Before that, I'm going to enable my desktop audio. Is enabled. Okay, I'm playing. Just play it. Hi, hello. This is test voice from RTX Voice and using mic of FI Fine mic T669 model. Okay, I'm checking my sound quality is here. Okay, you can see my RTX voice do good job, reduce my fan voice, and also my PC is working. PC. Okay, I will show how is my environment. So just I show you just here. Okay, if I'm going here, go to input, class divider, stereo, then I'm directly set my USB mic. Then I record a volume, so they record a track. Hi, this is second voice with my PC noise and my fan noise. Okay, you can see what is the difference. Stop it. I'm playing. So they record a track. Hi, this is second voice with my PC noise and my fan noise. Okay, you can see what is the difference. Stop it. Okay, play the first one. You can see the difference. T669 model. Okay, I'm checking my sound quality is here. So they record a track. This RTX completely reduce my background noise. Okay, so use this for record your voice, because without my RTX voice I can't record any voice with my fan. Normally I'm recording without my fan because of the fan noise is too much, but after installing RTX voice it's too good. Now I can record more time without sweating because I'm using fan. Okay guys, that's it. It's if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. And also sorry for my bad English.